I think understanding it is very important. So for example, let me just use another idea lah. So let's say you want to find a probability of B prime given W. Okay, let's say we want to find this. So given B prime already happened, what are the chances that you wear glasses? So W is glasses, right? Wearing glasses, right? Then B prime is a girl lah, the girl. So if you want to find the conditional probability of W given B prime happen, what you need to do is you restrict the domain first. This is a domain. Okay. So for conditional probability, right, there are two. You need to know how to read it from a diagram, and you need to know how to read it from a tree diagram. Very, very important. Okay, so now we are dealing with the probability diagram. So if you want to find this probability, what you need to do is, given B prime already happened, so out of this B prime here, this is B prime, right? Okay, out of this B prime here, how many of them satisfy W? Okay, W is this one, B prime. So it's 11, right? Sense? So out of this B prime here, 11 of them are W. So essentially, you get 11 over 11 plus 18. Okay. So out of this B prime, the restricted domain here, you have 11. Just remember that. So this will be 11 over 29. Okay, if you can come out in many shapes or forms, they can even ask you like PW intersect B given B prime. Or let's say P intersect W intersect B. Actually, this question not later we'll talk about the one below lah. So this one not so difficult. Okay, we could quickly do the first three. Would then be how many of them are boys? Then among all the boys, how many of them wear glasses? This means that B prime already happened. So out of this B prime here, which is here, this is B prime. How many of them are W? Okay, you know that out of this B prime here, this is B here. This is 21. 21 is W. So essentially, when you write it down, this will be 21 plus 9. Because this is 21. You can see that this is 21 over 9. This is the restricted domain. This is the total one. This is 21 over 30. This one here, W prime, just know that your restricted domain is here. So try and not use a formula. Try and follow me very carefully. I know you can use a formula, but try not to first. This one here is W prime. Out of this W prime here, which is 9 plus 18, how many of them are B prime? B prime is here. This is 18. Yeah, B prime here. Okay, that's how we do it. Then this third one will be how many of W? Out of this W here is 21 plus 11. Then B is this one, 20. Okay, add them up. Okay.